Good morning, guys. It's currently 1 p.m. in the afternoon here in Tokyo. We are here in Umijima. Umijima. There. It's December 26, 2024. And today's agenda is we will go to Mood Off. Yeah. Right. So we'll just cross the road first. So I will not be using my camera muna. I'll use my phone. So this is Umijima. I will put on the location of this place in the description below. So if you want to visit also this Mood Off, ayun yung Mood Off, guys, oh. There. So mapuntahan nyo rin siya. There. So dami na lang bikes, oh. So we are in Umijima. Right. That's Mood Off. Yan. Mag-thrifting tayo today. Thrifting agenda for today's video. It's the Mood Off, guys. We will go there. I think to, parang 3 floor siya. Galing na ako dyan the other day. And hindi ako nakapag-video. And this time, I wanna go back para makita nyo rin. That's it. So there you go. If you're new in my channel, guys, please consider subscribing. I hope they're open. Ay, open sila. Hold on. So this is the one. Price down. Tingnan mo, dito tayo sa mga price down na raw. Ano ba to? Burberry ba to? This is 550. Burberry. Yan, oh. Ito yung mga scarf. Pang malamig. Oh, this is nice. Naka-sale na to, guys. Oh, magkano to? 550 yen. Ang ganda nito, oh. I like it. Panglamig. So, I love this. Kaya lang, black na naman. There. Ito maganda to. Kasi wool. Wool ba to? Ang ganda nito, guys, oh. So, pasok na tayo sa loob. Parang walang gaanong tao, ah. Sarili natin ako Mood Off. Hi, guys. I will just do a voice-over. So, we are here in the bag section. Oh my gosh. May mga Louis Vuitton, guys. Oh, look at that. All the prices there is in Japanese yen. Kayo na lang mag-convert how much in peso or wherever you are right now. Anyway, this place again, guys, is in Mood Off in Umijima. I will write on the location of this place in my description. So if you want to visit there, it's easy for you to know where it is. Anyway, may gusto ko dyan na Prada, guys. And pinag-isipan ko pa but hindi ko pa rin siya kinuha. And so I took a different bag and I will just do a separate video about that. So that's a Prada that I like. Ayun. I like nylon bag kasi this time. Yung mga lightweight lang. I have a Louis Vuitton naman na. So, nagmamatured na. Hindi na nalulungkot pag walang nabili na Louis Vuitton. Anyway, guys, if you are new in my channel, please consider subscribing. Ayun, I will be very happy na pag mag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel. I will be doing travel vlog, ayun, mga shopping, ganito na mga content like mga thrifting, yun. So, I hope you like this video, guys. Anyway, this is a very huge Mood Off, like mga second hand, may mga damit, marami yan dyan, may mga bags, may mga shoes. So, this video will be like, I think like 20 minutes more. So, I know magi-enjoy kayo. I hope I can put a music on it. Kasi copyrighted ako eh. Ang mga music nila, guys. As in, there. Yan yung mga wallet section naman. Ayun, no. Maganda ng mga wallets din. You have to know also the price original. I mean, you should also know how much is the price of the brand new if you want to buy talaga second hand or pre-lab luxury items para naman, you can compare of course. Kasi meron din mga second hand na ang mahal, which is why not buy na lang brand new, right? So, ayun, you have to know also the brand new price. Ayan. Ito naman may mga Coach there, may mga what else in there. Ang dami niyan, ang dami talaga. There. Ayan. Yan yung mga bags, Louis Vuitton. Ang ganda niyan siya, kaya lang medyo luma na rin. Yan yung Prada, oh. I like that. Meow, meow. Ang ganda rin ng shoes, oh, na Louis Vuitton. Kung black lang yan, kung kasya sa akin, I think I would consider to get that. Mahal ang, mahal ang Louis Vuitton na flat shoes. So, this is the area. Yan, may mga wallets naman. Yan, may Coach, oh, na wallet. Ano pa ba yan? Ang dami dyan. Nakakatuwa, no? Grabe. Yan, mga wallet. So, you have to consider also, i-check mo rin isa-isa if you have time. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga mag-thrifting talaga dito sa Japan, you have to take talaga one day na wala kayong ibang pupuntahan para ma-browse nyo ng maayos. Kasi kung you have a lot of time, makakakita ka talaga ng magaganda. Ayun, madami talagang mga good finds, guys, if you have really more time to go there, to stay pala. There, ito naman mga bags dyan. May mga coats dyan, may mga MK, may nakita nga ako na Louis Vuitton dyan na trolley. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Nasa gilid lang. Yan ang cute niya, no? Snoopy. There. Nakakatuwa. So, yung may Coach, oh. Hindi ko naalala yan. I don't remember that. There, guys. Please, if you are new in my channel, again, please consider subscribing po. I will be very happy pag mag-subscribe kayo. I hope this channel will grow more and we will have our own little community and let's build friendship here in my YouTube land. There. Yan naman siya is that bag na hinawakan ko a while ago is Etro. Oh, may Burberry, oh. Burberry. Akala ko ano yan? Akala ko what was that? Akala ko, hold on. Oh no, someone sent me a message. I'm using my phone, guys, to voice over this. So, sinaran ko muna ang aking phone. There, cute na mga bags, so. Yan. Alam mo kasi yung mga Hapon, mga Japanese, masinop sila sa gamit. May mga nabili na rin ako dito na Prela bags. Ang gaganda pa. So, maingat sila sa gamit, guys. I like the way they take care of their stuff talaga. Yung mga gamit nila. Yan, cute din ang bag na yan. Ayan, yan yung nakita ko, guys, na Louis Vuitton na laptop bag. Look at that. Ang mura niyan. Parang wala pa yata sa 10,000 pesos yan. Yan, sa mga nag-office, ang ganda niyan. Linisan lang, ang ganda. Louis Vuitton, meron na siyang damage dito sa may baba. Pero siguro magagawa ng paraan yan. Ganda niya, no? Ipaano mo lang. Yan, Hermes yan siya na long sleeve. Ang ganda, Grabe. Ang haba pa pala ng video na to. Yan, mga madami dyan. Siguro, mga nasa 3 hours ako nagstay dyan. I just talaga. I took time talaga to check what's in there. It's fun. Nakakatuwa lang. Yan. Ito mga jacket naman yan. Meron dyang MCM na na like, hold on. Malapit na siya. There. Mga bags. This is for men. Men section to siya. There you go. Nakakatuwa naman. Ang dami dyan, guys. Super. I love it. Overwhelming nga siya, May mga nabili pala ako dyan na na mga Kipling. Ayun, mga Kipling bags. Ayan yung MCM na nakita ko, guys. So, pero madumi kasi ang loob. OA. Sobrang dumi. There. Yan. I got a lot of super happy ang eyes kaka-browse ng mga pre-labs. Look at that. Meron pa ako nakita dyan na nagustuhan ko eh. I think it's upstairs. That bag is nice ha. Maganda ang bag na I like bags that the strap is thick, like they call it guitar strap. It's very comfortable siya gamitin. So it's comfortable sa shoulder. There. So, yan. Yung mga Hapon guys, Japanese, mahilig sila mag-bag na malalaki kahit mga lalaki. Parang mga bag na nila para mga pambabae. Lalaki na mga bag nila, mga tote. Kahit lalaki dito, nagto-tote bag sila. Ang cute nga eh. Cute. Nakakatawa nga naman. Maganda gumamit ng tote bag kasi para you can put a lot of stuff inside mga gamit mo. Like if you have umbrella, you have water bottle, you can put inside. There. Ang lamig ngayon dito guys. Today is December 30, 2024. So tomorrow is New Year's. New Year's Eve na tomorrow. So Merry Christmas everyone. Praying that we have a very good 2025 sa life natin. There, yan yung mga jacket. I think I'm in the second floor na. Yan, may jacket. Okay, I remember. May nabili pala ako dyan na na winter clothes. Later, I think it's there. Nasa taas na yata ako. This is in the second floor, I guess. Daming bags. Daming bags. May mga coach nga rin dyan eh. I think wala pala ako nabili na coach dyan. May mga coach dyan guys. Pero may nabili ako dyan na 2 Kipling bags. That's what I got there pala. Ayun. So this is second pala. This is in the second floor na. This video is in the second floor. There. So nakaka 12 minutes na tayo. I hope you're having fun guys. Please consider subscribing po if you are new in this channel. My name is Chen. I love travel. I love yung mga shopping haul na yan. I will do a separate video about shopping haul here in Japan. I hope I can find time kasi it's gonna be okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, yan. That's all. Ayan, may Michael Kors. I didn't see that. I think this is the first floor pa pala to. Ayan, makikita na natin dyan yung Louis Vuitton. Yan, yung trolley bag na Louis Vuitton. Yan, coach yan siya na super na rape na for today na nangarag na si MK. Ayan, dami pang bags dyan, oh. There. This bag na hinahawak, that one that I'm holding, na-curious lang ako kasi ang ganda ng texture ng bag niya. Ayun, ang ganda niyan. Leather yata. Yan, Coach. Kailang medyo luma-luma na yan. Some kinda old, that one. There. So, Coach tote bag. That's so cute. Yeah, that's the one guys, the trolley bag. Oh my gosh, dati gustong-gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyan. There. Grabe, nasa gilid lang. Kawawa naman yung trolley bag na yan. Napagsawaan agad nung may-ari, no? Look at that guys. So, that's so pretty. Ang ganda niya. Yan, no? Linisan mo lang yan, eh. Yan, may mga wallets. May mga kung ano-ano dyan. Wow. Yan yung Coach that I saw a while ago na medyo sira-sira na. Oops, may nahulog. Pick it up, girl. Thank you. There, sa mga shades naman to. May gusto ko dyan na eyeglasses. Kaya lang nakalimutan ko talaga. Nakalimutan ko siyang sukatin. Ayun. Naghahanap ako guys ng ng Tiffany na, dito kasi sa Japan, dati nakakita ako ng Tiffany. Ayun. May mga Tiffany na mga accessories. Yan, may mga shoes. Ayun may mga flat shoes. May bag dyan na Forla. Maganda sana yung Forla na bag mura lang din. Kaya lang medyo may damage lang siya. Ayun. Meron ako dati Forla na bag. Ayun, kaya lang binenta ko na yun Yan. Ang cute naman yan. Ang Coach, Ganda ng coach na yan. There guys, comment down below kung mahilig din kayo mag-thrifting. Mahilig din kayo mag-ukay-ukay. 'Di ba? Nakakatuwa siya, nakaka-happy siya sa ukay-ukay talaga. Marami ka talagang makikita maganda. Kung matyaga ka lang mag-ikot-ikot, magbutingting and everything. So, nakaka-happy siya, guys. There, and practical naman to buy those stuff there. Basta you should always, I'm reminding you guys, if you want to buy luxury bags, you have to check also the brand new. Kasi minsan may mga second hand na mahal pa din, diba? So, sayang naman. Why not buy na lang brand new if kunti na lang ang amount? Ayun. Kung yun talaga yung ano mo talaga, if you really want to have that kind of bag and napag-ipunan mo rin lang naman. There. So, ito na pala. We're going to the second floor. Second floor na tayo, guys. There. So, yung kit naman pala, Burberry ba yun? Yan. Dito mga sale items to dito. Wala akong nakuha na na mga, mayroon lang ako isa na nabili na jacket dyan. Yun lang. O, ayan o. Yan yung mga bag sa taas. Nakaka-happy siya. Nakaka-happy. There. So, I think that's may gusto din pala ako dyan na shoes na nakita ko. Yung Mickey Mouse at Chuck Taylor. Oh my gosh, hindi ko siya binili. Para kasing feeling ko, may Chuck Taylor naman ako na pink. Sabi ko, magagamit ko ba to? I'm really matured na talaga. Diba? Pag nagmamatured ka na, parang minsan magagamit ko ba to? Ayun. Pero guys yung Prada, gustong gusto ko talaga yung nylon na Prada. Kaya lang, pinigilan ko talaga ang sarili ko. I'm controlling my emotion. My God. Yeah, that's the one that I got, guys. I bought this. Yeah, that's the one I got. It's like a coat. I got that. Yan. Wow. Ang laki naman ng na to, ng Kipling. Alam mo, kung mayroong long strap yan, binili ko yan. Maganda yan pa nagta-travel, There, another bag. Another bag. Yung Coach. Ang mura ng Coach na yan, guys. I think it's like 100 dirhams. I don't know what is 100 dirhams in peso. I think wala pa sa 1.5. Yan, ang ganda niyan. I like vintage Coach bags now. So, nowadays, kasi ang ganda ng mga old Coach bag Ang ganda nung quality nila. At saka, ayaw kasi ng medyo leather lang. Maganda yung mga dati, yung mga canvas ng Coach. Maganda. Ganda niyang na yan. Outfit na yan. Pang madam. Yan, Coach na naman, no? Mga vintage. May mga nabili ako na Coach na vintage. Ganda niya, no? Dati, no, yung mga Coach dati, mga ganyan. Ang gaganda. Nakakatuwa rin. I think I only have 1, 2. Mayroon akong 3 na Coach, 2 backpack at saka isang belt bag. Wala na akong Coach na bag na yung parang tote bag. Coach bag ko na lang is I have 2 backpack and 1 belt bag. Wala na akong bag na Coach. Nabenta ko na yata. There. Ang gaganda niyan. Yan. Ito na yata yung 3rd floor. Mga shoes to dito, mga boots, mga winter boots, mga shoes, may mga Nike dyan na shoes, may mga, marami talaga. Yan o. Na-check ko yung na yan, yung Balenciaga na bag na yan. Medyo may damage siya sa gilid. Ayan. I think sinukat ko dyan yung yung Chuck Taylor na Mickey Mouse. Meow! Ang gaganda, guys, ng mga shoes dyan. Pero feeling ko yung mga hapon maliliit ang paa. Almost size 8 ako eh. And then, gaganda rin ng mga leather shoes pala dyan, for men. Yung mga shoes. Parang liliit. Dami. Nakaka-happy, di ba? Ukay-ukay is life. Japan, Japan. Nakakatuwa talaga dito. There guys, again, Happy New Year everyone. Yun, gusto ko rin yan. Na na Chuck Taylor. Cute no, ganda ng kulay, green. Ganda naman yan. There. Naghahanap ako ng ng bucket hat. I like bucket hat, guys. That's what yan ang ko. Forma ko yung naka-bucket hat lang. Lalo na pag if your hair is messy, bad hair day, bucket hat na agad ang sagot diyan. Grabe naman yung na yan, luminous green na na bonnet. Kitang-kita ka kahit sa kadiliman ng mundo. Ang ganda ng shoes na yan, doll shoes. I like wearing doll shoes. Lalo tas naka-socks ka lang na ruffle, yung mga yung mga ng mga kabataan natin sa skirt. That's so cute. Uy, Tory yun Tory flat. Ang liit naman. Tsaka yung kulay pang There. Yan, Tory din. Tory flat. Tory birds. Ang gaganda naman. Nakaka-happy naman. Nakaka-happy. Ang daming nakaka-happy. Mga shoes. Another shoes there. Malapit na tayo matapos. May mga videos pa ako na i-upload ko na about naman yun, mga bags doon, mga dami doon, mga Louis Vuitton. I-upload ko yun. That's my next video, guys. Yeah, kinuha ko yan, binili ko yan. Yung Kipling na yan, sling bag na Kipling. Cute. That's so nice. There, we are almost done na, guys. Please consider subscribing po if you are new in my channel. Like and subscribe, guys. Salamat ha. Thank you sa mga nanood. I really appreciate that. There. Kasi gusto ko rin makita nyo rin kung ano yung mga naaliw ako sa bag na yan. Kung ano yung mga ukay-ukay here in Japan. There. Super dami, 'di ba? Hindi pa nga ako nakapag-browse ng mga diyan, yung mga damit-damit. Daming mga ganda. Hindi ko pa na yan, hindi ko pa na I don't know if I still have time to go back kasi New Year na baka sarado yan. I hope open yan. Kasi may gusto akong balikan diyan na Louis Vuitton. Uso ng ate ko yun I hope I still have time to to check. There, your shoes. There, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Alright. Like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, guys. I have to go. $6,000. So these are the here, the pre-labs. Maganda ba tong na to? Yan, Kipling. Ano naman to? 1,000. Ang cute naman ang kulay. Ang cute Mickey Mouse. Oh. Mickey Mouse.